Hey everyone, this is Yogesh, Online Marketing. Congratulations if you made it this far for the training. That tells me a little bit about yourself, that you're serious about your future. You want to do something. You're not happy what you're currently doing and you want to do something, and you are entrepreneurial at your heart, and you want to either be successful, make a lot of money, and also at the same time have a free time to do whatever you want to do. So what we like to do is, at the end of this training, I've given you all the tools to help you with your funnel, with your how to do a personalized link on your funnel, and at the last one was the training for the traffic, where to get the traffic and where to get all the people that will come out to your funnel and would give to their emails and all that, so that you can join you under your link. So all you got to do is, for the next 7 days, where you're not paying anything, you're still under trial, so nothing is coming out of your pocket other than the traffic that you're buying it. So take advantage of it. Let's see how it is, and see at the end of the 7 days if this is what you're looking for. And if it is, amazing. Come and join us, and message me, and I'll be able to help you out with a couple of other trainings that we go a little bit more in details. Other than that, here's to your success, and hope to connect with you. Bye.